Hi, this is Dave Cobb, Mayor of Valdez, Alaska, inviting you to the LNG Summit in Valdez, Alaska on September 13th and 14th.
We'll hear some technical presentations from market folks. We'll hear from folks that are looking at developing a floating ability to liquefy, have a liquefaction facility on water. So we'll have a myriad of we'll hear some financing folks talking about the financial side. How do you finance a project like this? The financeability. On the regulatory side, we hear from Coast Guard Commander in Valdez to talk about what's available in Valdez. So it'll just be kind of A to Z, nuts and bolts of everything you need to know about an LNG project out of Valdez. The Alaska LNG Summit in Valdez will be September 13th and 14th. It'll be an international conference. It'll include participants from the marketplace, from Washington, D.C., our delegation. The mayor of Valdez, of course, will participate. We'll have companies there that will give presentations about their services, what they provide, how they would be involved in an LNG project in Valdez. It's just a bringing together of the market, of the supply, of all the different players you'd need for an LNG project.
Senator Lisa Murkowski, Senator Mark Begich, Congressman Don Young will be attending.
We breakout sessions at the Civic Center, and there'll be sort of other natural networking opportunities. I mean, one evening we were out on the water with on one of Stan Stevens Charter's vessels, a beautiful vessel, and have a visual view of the Alyeska Marine Oil Terminal in Port Valdez. And so there'll be different activities for networking. That'll be some in a structured setting, some in a very beautiful setting out on the water. There'll be an opportunity to see to view the Coast Guard facility in Valdez where they track the oil vessels. It is the most sophisticated vessel tracking system that exists. It's very impressive. Also, you'll just see actually from the convention center, be able to look out the window and see the oil terminal across the water. So we'll be able to see that. And you'll be able to see the actual location of the terminal site that was previously permitted by the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, FERC, for an LNG terminal in Valdez at Anderson Bay when Yukon Pacific Corporation applied for and received the permits for that terminal. This conference is for anybody who has any interest at all in LNG as far as the terminal site. If they're trying to decide where there should be one, they should be at this conference. If they want to see why Valdez makes so much sense as a terminal site, they should be there for that. The best way to be part of a project is to be at the table. And this is inviting folks from all walks of the industry and the opportunity in the market side, upstream and downstream, to come and listen, join the discussion, and be part of it. Hopefully, you will see a natural beauty that you aren't going to see in a 50-story or 100-story office building someplace in a big city. You will be up close and personal with Alaska's best. I mean, the natural beauty in Valdez, and I grew up in Valdez. I have a lot of fond memories of growing up in Valdez, and I can't tell you that you will take away from this trip not just the technical educational side of it. You'll take away a part of Alaska with you that you otherwise wouldn't see.
We look forward to seeing you in Valdez, Alaska for the LNG Summit.